Many guys think they've got to be the ones always on the chase, not realizing that women, in fact, pursue men too, but only those who stand apart from the crowd. Today, I'm going to break down the game for you, showing you exactly how to make women chase you without you having to chase them. Get ready to flip the script and learn the art of attraction in a way that puts you in control. Number 1. Play hard to get. This isn't about playing games, it's about setting your value high. You need to show that your time and attention are precious and not just handed out to anyone. It's like this. If you're always available, always responding immediately to messages, always saying yes to every plan, you're putting yourself out there as someone who's got nothing better to do. You need to flip that. Make your time something to be earned. It's not about ignoring them or being rude. It's about showing that you've got a life, ambitions, hobbies. When you're not always instantly available, it creates a mystery, makes them wonder what you're up to, and that's when they start chasing. They see you as someone who's got their own path, and that's magnetic. Just remember, there's a fine line between being intriguingly busy and completely uninterested. Find that balance, and you've nailed the first step. Number 2. Be devilishly charming. Charm isn't about cheesy pickup lines or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about genuine charisma and confidence. Start with your conversation skills. Be genuinely interested in what she has to say. Listen more than you talk. When you do speak, make it count. Be witty, throw in a lighthearted joke or a playful tease. But remember, it's all in the delivery. Your tone, your body language, that sly smile. They all matter. It's about creating a spark, an intrigue that makes you stand out in her mind. But here's the key. Charm with a touch of mystery. Don't lay all your cards on the table. Leave some things unsaid, some stories for later. This isn't just about making her laugh. It's about leaving her wanting more, thinking about you after the conversation has ended. It's a delicate dance of being engaging but not overly eager, being present in the conversation while holding back just enough to keep her guessing. That's the essence of being devilishly charming. It's an irresistible mix of warmth, humor, and a hint of unpredictability that will have her chasing you for more. Number 3. Make yourself physically irresistible. This is beyond hitting the gym or dressing well, though those are part of it. It's about presenting the best version of yourself, a version that screams confidence and self-respect. First, get in shape. It's not just about muscles, it's about being healthy and energetic. When you're fit, it shows you value yourself, and that's attractive. Then there's your style. Dress in a way that makes you stand out, but stay true to yourself. Whether it's a sharp suit or a well-fitted casual outfit, wear it with confidence. Grooming is key too. A clean appearance, a good haircut, a touch of cologne. These details matter. But here's the real secret. It's how you carry yourself. Stand tall. Maintain good posture. Move with purpose. When you enter a room, let your presence be known not by being loud, but by being composed and self-assured. An irresistible man isn't just seen, he's felt. It's in the way you walk, the way you talk, and the way you interact with others. Make these aspects of yourself align, and you'll be physically irresistible. Number 4. Develop a thick skin. This isn't about becoming cold or emotionless, but about not letting everything get to you. In the dating game, you're gonna face rejection, misunderstandings, and sometimes outright rudeness. The key is to not take it personally. Understand that rejection is not a reflection of your worth. It's a part of life, and often, it has more to do with the other person than with you. Building a thick skin means staying cool under pressure. When things don't go your way, don't lose your temper or get visibly upset. Take it in stride. Learn to laugh off awkward situations and move on without holding grudges. This kind of resilience is not just attractive, but it also keeps you mentally healthy and focused on your goals. Remember, a man who can face setbacks with a calm and collected demeanor shows immense maturity and confidence. It signals that you're in control of your emotions and can handle life's ups and downs. That stability and strength are what can make you truly irresistible. So, develop that thick skin. Let the small stuff slide. Focus on the big picture and keep moving forward with confidence. Number 5. Inspire her mind. This goes beyond physical attraction or surface level charm. It's about connecting on a deeper level. To do this, you've got to be more than just another guy. You need to be someone who stimulates her thoughts, who challenges her, who makes her curious. Start by being well-informed and well-read. Have a range of interests and passions that you can talk about with enthusiasm and knowledge. When you speak about things you're passionate about, it's infectious. It shows depth and intelligence, qualities that are far more attractive than just good looks or charm. Engage her in meaningful conversations. Ask her thought-provoking questions. Listen to her opinions and share insightful responses. Challenge her intellectually in a respectful and playful way. This type of interaction is exhilarating. It's not just about making her laugh or smile. It's about making her think, making her reevaluate, making her question. That's how you become unforgettable. Number 6. Sharpen your communication skills. This is critical. Effective communication isn't just about what you say, but how you say it. It's about understanding the subtleties of human interaction and using them to your advantage. First, hone your listening skills. Good communication is as much about listening as it is about talking. Show genuine interest in what she says. Make eye contact, nod, and respond appropriately. This shows respect and attention, making the other person feel valued and understood. Then, work on your verbal skills. Be clear and articulate in your speech. Avoid mumbling or talking too fast. It's not just about impressing her with words, but about being understood easily. Also, pay attention to your tone and body language. They should align with your words, conveying sincerity and confidence. Learn the art of storytelling. Everyone loves a good story, and being a captivating storyteller can make you immensely attractive. It's about drawing her into your world, sharing experiences in a way that's engaging and relatable. Number 7. Make sure you know what you're doing in bed. This point is crucial and often overlooked. It's not just about physical satisfaction, it's about intimacy, connection, and understanding. Being confident and skilled in the bedroom is a significant part of the attraction. Firstly, educate yourself. Understand that every person is different, and what works with one might not work with another. Learn about the fundamentals of good lovemaking, from foreplay to understanding different desires and preferences. Read, research, and if necessary, don't shy away from seeking advice or educational resources. Communication is key in this aspect too. Pay attention to her needs and desires. Be attentive and responsive to her cues. Good lovemaking is about mutual satisfaction and connection. It's about exploring and enjoying together, not just fulfilling your own needs. Also, don't forget the emotional aspect of intimacy. Being emotionally present and connected during intimate moments is just as important as the physical aspect. Show care, respect, and affection. This builds trust and deepens the connection, making the experience more fulfilling for both of you. In essence, being skilled in bed is about being attentive, knowledgeable, and connected. It's an integral part of the relationship, one that can significantly enhance the attraction and make you someone she'll be eager to chase. Making a woman chase you is more than just surface level tactics. It's about becoming a man of value, someone who's confident, intriguing, and genuine in every aspect of life. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you found this content valuable. And if you're ready to take the next step, to uncover the next best way to level up as a man, dive into the video here.